Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is a fit and sound demo test of the LabVon M3 Bluetooth Earbuds. So real quickly, I'm just going to demonstrate the styles in which you can wear these earbuds. And then I'm going to give y'all a sound demo test, and then we're going to wrap the video up. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright, so style number one on the wear test, so you can see the earbuds right here, is you can just wear them with the extra cable dangling in front. So if I put them in my ears here, you can see all this excess cable is dangling underneath my neck. So you can see this is the main earbud here, and it goes in your ear like that. So that's how it's going to look. Or if you want to get rid of some of that excess hanging cable like you see, flip it behind your neck, same thing. So now you can see all the excess cable is behind my neck, and you can see still fitting very snugly, So those are the two main ways that you can wear the earbuds, like so. So now let's just get into the sound demo portion. I already got it maxed out here. Let me just show you. If I shrink the screen, pull up my speaker here, you can see that it's connected up to my computer. Let me move this to the other side. So you can see it's connected up to my computer, and it's at 100% volume. So let's make this back full screen again. Bring this back to the other side. This way I can see the music that I'm using. And let's go ahead and push play. And I'm gonna hold it up to the microphone so y'all can get the best sample possible. So you can see the microphone's right here. And here we go, guys. So push play. Alright, and that is really loud. I don't even know how well the mic's gonna pick that up, but that's really loud in my ears. Let's hold this to the mic. Let it play a little bit. Alright, and now real quickly, I just want to see how much leakage I can hear. So let me pull this out. And really you hear some leakage, but you don't hear that much. I'm sure that if I do not have the earbuds at 100% volume, you probably won't even be able to hear it. Let me hold it up to the mic again. Alright, so that's at 100% volume. And then if I go ahead and turn it down, yeah, see, you can barely hear it. So if you got it in your ears at a decent volume, nobody's going to be able to hear what you're listening to. But if you have it maxed out, then people may be able to hear what you're listening to, because it does have a little bit of leakage at max volume. Anyways, I think that pretty much does it for this video. Again, this has been a fit and sound demo test of the LabVon M3 earbuds. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Like always, if you did enjoy the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. As always, all links to where to purchase these earbuds will be down below in the video description, as well as links to the full review. So if this video has piqued your interest, please check out those links down below in the video description. And as always, guys and gals, if you guys know anyone out there looking for some high quality, affordable devices and products at some really great prices, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone because we all deserve the best. All right. Oh, and also, this video was recorded using the Note 3's camera, so please let me know how the video looks. And all the audio was recording using the lapel clip-on CQ microphone, so please let me know how the audio sounds. All right, hope everybody has a great day, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.